Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss our workbook. Worksheet, worksheet 3, page number 23. Okay. So you have to do one thing, children. One comprehension reading passage is there. Go through that passage and try to write the answers. Okay. We are not discussing that comprehension passage in our class. Our video class, we are not going to discuss that. We are straightly moving towards the activities. First one given there is what? Vocabulary section, suffix and prefixes. Prefixes and suffix, we already discussed it in our reader textbook. So I think not further explanation is needed. Anyway, prefix means what? When we add letters in the beginning of a root word, and suffix is what? We add letters at the end of a word. That is what prefix and suffix. We already discussed that. Anyway, we can go through that rules. A prefix is a letter or group of words add to the. Please look into a textbook. A prefix, page number 23. Okay, I told you on the bottom you can see. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a root word to make a new word. Okay, then suffix means is a letter. Sometimes it may be a letter. Sometimes it may be group of letters. It's a letter or group of letters added at the end of a root word to make a new word. Take next page. Examples are given there. So here you have to find 6 stories from the story. You have to find 6 words from the story that is given in your textbook. How the tortoise got his shell. And from that story, you have to find out 6 words. And after that, you have to add suffix and prefixes to make new words. So, in the brackets, suffixes and prefixes are also given. So, from the story, you have to find out 6 words. And after that, you have to add suffix or prefixes to make new words. Okay? Then, next one. From the prefixes and suffixes you learned, add correct ones to these words to form new words. Now you know prefixes and suffixes. So, here what you have to do? You have to add. So, for give. Sometimes you can add prefix or suffix. According to your wish, you have to add, but it should be correct. Okay. Taste is there, thought, beautiful, aware, active, appear, mature. You can use a dictionary also, then also you will get. Anyway, it's a work. Because workbook actually we used to do it in our class as group work or something like that. But now there is no way. First of all, I thought that I will conduct one live class, but here range is not there, so there is no way to do that. And very slow. Its network is very poor, so that's why sometimes I can't upload my video classes on right time. That's the main reason. So do one thing. You just try to do that, and after that just send it to me. Then only I will know that you are doing it correctly. Okay, then next first one, what is there? Next question is also fill in the blanks with the correct form of words in brackets using the suffixes and prefixes you learn. So first of all, you have to do one thing. You just go through your textbook and try to understand what is prefix and suffix. I think on last class or before last class we already discussed about these prefixes and suffixes. And if you have any doubt, you just call me. After go through that, you will get a number of words, new words that you form using suffixes and prefixes. And you have to do one thing. Question is like this: fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the words in brackets using the suffixes and prefixes you learned. Question is, this Troy is a dash little child. So play, you can write playful, just like that. Then, so in bracket some words are given here. So just remember the words that you have learned. And after that, just try to do this. Why I am not discussing the answers in the class? Because we already discussed about the topic and nobody called me or nobody asked me any doubt from this portion. That is what I am not discussing the answers in the video class. So try to do this suffix and prefix exercise what you have learned. If you have any doubt, you just don't write that, you just call me. But you have to try. And if you have any doubt regarding this suffix and prefix, again I am telling you, you just call me. And next part what we are going to do is, that is also present and past continuous and present perfect tense. I think we can discuss it on Friday. Friday we can discuss that tense once more. So today what you have to do? You have to go through that suffix and prefix thoroughly. Then you have to write the what you have to try to write this exercise. Okay, today this is enough for you. Friday we can discuss present and past continuous and present perfect tense. So before next class, you just go through these 3 types of tenses. Then only we can do the exercise. Okay. Thank you children. Thank you.